Hi, I'm Marnie Seal, your faculty librarian here at Cambrian College, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to use Zotero Reference Manager. What is Zotero? Zotero is a free, open source, easy to use tool that stores, organizes, and cites your references conveniently. With Zotero, you can gather, save, and organize bibliographic data as you're doing your research, create citations and a bibliography as you're writing your paper, and share your research with your peers. Zotero offers 300 megabytes of free online storage. You have the option to purchase additional storage, but you probably won't need to if you follow the setup suggestions in this guide. Step 1. Getting started. Register your account at www.zotero.org. You can pick any username and password you like, as your account is attached to your email address. After registration, you will be sent an email to confirm your account. The next step is to choose which browser to use. Zotero is not compatible with Internet Explorer. Because of this, we recommend using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. If you do not already have one of these browsers on your computer, you can easily download and install the latest version for free. Step 2. Setup. Open www.zotero.org in your chosen browser and click Download. On the left, you will see Zotero 5.0 for Windows. This will install the Zotero standalone interface onto your desktop. Click Download and follow the installation prompts. Once finished, you should have a Zotero icon on your desktop. Once the interface is on your desktop, go back to your browser. On the right, you will see Zotero Connector. Zotero should have automatically detected which type of browser you're using, so click on Install Chrome Connector or Firefox if that's what you're using. This will add an icon to the right side of the top bar of your browser that will save articles and web pages when you click on it. Open the Zotero interface again. Click Edit, Preferences, and set up syncing for your account. Enter your Zotero username and password and click Set up Syncing. This will sync your saved items from your desktop interface into your My Library on the Zotero website. Be sure to uncheck the boxes for Sync Full Text Content and Sync Attachment Files in My Library. Zotero will save PDF files of your articles, which is great for quick access, but it will quickly eat up the 300 megabyte storage limit on your free account. Under General Preferences, check under File Handling and uncheck the box for Automatically Attach Associated PDFs and other files when saving items, for the same reason that we mentioned about storage. Under your export settings and your citation settings, make sure to check your preferred citation style. If you want to check how much storage you're using at any point, log into your account on the Zotero website and click Settings and Storage. Step 3. Saving references in Zotero. Your Zotero library contains 3 columns. The left column is an overview of your collections, the middle column will display a selected collection's content, and the right column displays the details of a selected item. Use the Add File icon to set up collection folders to organize items. When you find an article or a web page that you want to save, open the appropriate folder in your Zotero interface. Click the Save to Zotero icon on your browser to save the page to your folder in Zotero. As mentioned, once a collection has been created, references will be added to whichever folder is highlighted in your Zotero library. Individual references can be added to multiple collections. A list of all of your saved references will appear under My Library. To see the ones you've organized into collections, click on a collection folder to open it. In the Zotero interface, different types of items will be identified by different icons, for example, an article or an ebook. Important note: Zotero facilitates the management and formatting of citations. However, it is vital that you check the citation data at the import stage and check the formatting of your in-text citations and the generated bibliography to ensure the completeness and accuracy of the data captured or the references being produced. You can edit any citation by clicking the field in the column on the right. To see whether you have captured any duplicates, click on the Duplicate Items folder listed in the left-hand panel. You can use this tool to merge or delete duplicate references. To create a group and share your research, log into your Zotero account online. Select the Groups tab, then create a group. Choose a name for your group and select the group type. You will then be prompted to adjust the settings as you desire. Under Member Settings, you can send invitations to add people into your group and update members' roles. In your Zotero interface, you will now see a group folder appear under the Group Library section of the left-hand panel. Step 5. Using Zotero in Microsoft Word. Zotero can automatically format citations and create bibliographies in documents, assignments, manuscripts, and more in various citation styles. The Zotero plugin for Microsoft Word should have automatically installed when you downloaded the Zotero standalone interface. If not, you may have to go under the Citation tab in your settings and reinstall it. When you open up Microsoft Word or Word for Mac, you should now see a Zotero tab in the top toolbar. You may need to restart your computer or relaunch Microsoft Word to ensure the Zotero add-in appears in your toolbar. In the toolbar, you will see icons with descriptions such as Add Edit Citation. Note, this may appear differently depending on what version of Word you are using and whether or not you're using a Mac or a PC. To begin using Zotero in Microsoft Word, open an existing or new Word document. Ensure the Zotero interface on your desktop is also open. Place your cursor where you would like the reference to go and click Add Edit Citation. The first time you do this, a Document Preferences dialog box will appear, allowing a choice of a particular citation style. Once you've selected your citation style, a red search bar will appear. You can either search for your citation or click the drop-down and select Classic View to display a window listing all of your possible citations. Once you've selected the citation, a properly formatted in-text citation should appear in your document wherever you have placed your cursor. When you have inserted all the necessary citations into your paper, place your cursor where you would like your bibliography to appear. Click the Add Edit Bibliography icon. A properly formatted bibliography should automatically generate in the citation style that you chose. You can install Zotero on multiple computers, for example your laptop, your home desktop, and more. Make sure that your Zotero Preferences Sync settings are set to sync automatically so that your items will be synced to your Zotero account and appear in your Zotero interface on any computer that you're using. You can also click the small round green arrow on the right-hand side of the Zotero interface to manually sync your libraries. To manually add in a citation from a physical source, use the green plus button and select the type of document from the drop-down. In the right-hand panel, you'll be able to enter all of the necessary information into the fields to generate a citation. For questions about Zotero, contact the Cambrian Library and Learning Commons.